In this guide, we will show you how to group pictures in words. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. First, insert the picture you want to group into your Word document. Click on one of the pictures, go to the top right corner and select layout options. If you don't see this, click on picture format and then wrap text. Choose one of the text wrapping options. I will select square. Repeat this process for the other pictures. Select each picture, click wrap text or layout options and choose square for consistency. Now you can freely move the pictures around. To group the picture, select one, hold the control key on your keyboard and then click on the other pictures you want to include in the group. With all the pictures selected, right click, hover over the group and click on group. That's it. You have successfully grouped the picture, allowing you to move them together easily. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.